Sabo, never Sabo. Kapulete, Onafe, Avera Wano Copenhagen, Denmark. Teacher Babulete, Ajia Baibiremo, Akaiba, Kano, Akomu Genzi, Edi Wamana.
Thank you very much. Then about you talked about the payments. If I paid online, is there a privilege?
There's only one privilege.
Yeah.
That you may not stay in the line.
On the queue.
Okay,
Yeah.
Because we realize there may be a long queue.
Yeah.
For people who haven't bought their tickets online.
Online, yeah, that's so.
If you bought your ticket online,
yeah,
there will be another arrangement. You just have to go in very fast.
Or besides the additional advantage that online it's cheaper than paying at the entrance.
You're saving a 50 some bucks.
Are the online tickets still on?
It was closed this afternoon.
It was closed. Okay, thank you very much. So, what should we expect those who didn't pay online?
Their tickets are at the entrance.
At the entrance.
Yeah.
And how much is that?
Only 300 kronas.
Only that?
Yeah.
I enjoy food.
And entertainment.
And entertainment.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's not only entertainment.
Also dance.
It's a dance.
It's a dance.
Also plus afrigo.
What drinks am I expecting then?
A lot of them. Do
you have some afrigo? I mean, Ugandan kind of touch?
There's touch, there's Yuji, there's Bond 7, there is Amarula, there is Bwakata. Yeah, that's everything. You name it, you call it.
I'm a fanatic of Chitoko.
Chitoko, yeah, you have to. But what I'm trying to say that, there is also afrigo bar.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
That's
why I wanted to come, because
afrigo bar.
I mean, something.
Can you just imagine, say, afrigo bar together?
Kusula ndongo
mumazige nyama obanga eda jimu wange it's quite interesting. It's quite a vibe, but
yeah, man,
something little what I wouldn't love to miss. What are the DJs of the day?
Well.
Besides Afrigo, I know we shall be having some other DJs to spice up the day. What are the DJs we're having?
Yeah, we have our main guy. Yeah. Our own DJ Ernest from Copenhagen.
Yeah.
The man from Cameroon.
I just like the way.
Now Ugandan.
Why don't you get him a woman from Uganda?
We will get him one.
So that would be okay. Like the way Obote got one from Uganda.
Yeah. And we have the man from Radio Boston.
Oh wow, it's amazing.
DJ Paddy from America.
Yeah.
They're all around and very ready to give our guests a very nice time.
Then other like
Amsterdam.
Are we expecting some other curtain risers or some other artists?
Yeah, we have a team of curtain risers.
Yeah.
They've all warmed up. We have again our own Saram Saimuto.
Yeah.
We have our own Mary Nantairo.
Wow, yeah.
We have Sumaya. She's not among the list, but she's from Amsterdam.
Wow, it's amazing. That's good.
We have Heather Nantes also. All those are from Denmark. We also have Hamim Hassan,
and
other from Holland.
Luga Froman.
Amazing. They're going to do real work. They're going to entertain our guests with joy.
Enough joy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. But as we come to the closure of this, I really appreciate the fact that Afrigo Band is really in the house, and try to avail yourself, because this is our time. Chance always comes once. They're so expensive to get, but once they come,
just come and enjoy them.
And not to forget, we have also one and only moto dancer.
Moto dancers.
They will be doing all the traditional dancing and all the wholesale stuff.
Oh, yeah,
We will be exhibiting all these dances from all regions. Please, you are not ready to miss this. Really,
But are we having anything for stock, to buy, like something we can have, like souvenirs
and all of the stuff?
Do we have some kitenji? Do we have some big Uganda UG? Things like that, you know.
Yeah.
We need some Uganda kind of.
There are things to buy for keeps, like a kitenji. You just dress up elegantly. We have.
You look smart.
You look smart.
Yeah.
Please, I promise you, there is always some music to take home, some CDs, some clothes, some drinks, and we will be really asking some other people who have got also some other things to give away to remember Uganda, to bring along with them. But we will be showing how we dress up, all this stuff. There's a lot of big in program, we didn't talk about it, but it's a lot of things to see if you ever seen before. Wow. I promise you.
Well, in the interest of time, I would love to say that this is aka Smog alongside DEE Sound, in line with the Uganda Nordic Uganda Nordic Diaspora Initiative Investment, and he's the vice chairperson, regards to the chairman and the patron, that's the Honorable Zake. But all in all is Afrigo band in Denmark, and as Afrodem reports, we shall try to be available to try to give you what we could, because it's all about reporting what we can. But as for now, please tell a friend to tell a friend that friend and a friend and a friend, they're coming to be in Afrigo. Remember, it's a show or it's a celebration which is not only Ugandan, but Ugandans were a part of Africa, which is so welcoming. We welcome all our brothers in East Africa, welcome all brothers in West Africa,
our Danish,
our in-laws, the Danish, everyone is just so invited. We shall give you the right treat. I guess by using we shall, it's just because they're giving me the confidence. Is it right?
Yeah. We'll do that. This is Joe.
This is DEE Sound.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
But miss.
As I close, and for the Ugandans there, also stay prepared. DEE Sound, in line with Net Intent, we're coming with the $1 million.
The $1 million party.
So
in Governor,
try to be there. We shall be available. Stay tuned. But tomorrow, come and enjoy. AKA Smoggy Afro.
Don't